Hi, this is Christine with Officetrax. Today I'm going to show you how to create an invoice, both the service provider as well as a customer invoice. To do that, for both, you are going to go to work orders on the left-hand side and go into the work orders list. You're then going to want to go into the work order that you wish to create the invoice for. Now, for a service provider invoice, there's two different ways that you could create it. The first way is by clicking on Create Invoice in the dispatch area. The other way is by going up to the very top and you're going to click on Create and you're going to click on Create Provider Invoice. Both ways will take you into the same section. Here you're going to see where you could enter in the provider invoice number. Okay, and further down here, you've got your different line items. So with this, you can add in as many items as you would need by just clicking on Add Another Item. You will just enter in the information. So here I've got labor for normal rate, and then the date, the quantity of hours, and then you can enter in the unit cost. With this, you can indicate if that is taxable or not, and it will total it up on the side. Further down here, we have some message fields that you could fill in, as well as it will show the total. You would then be able to either save as draft to come back to it at a later time, or you can save and process. Now, to create a customer invoice, you will go back to the work order. So just work orders, go into your work order here. Okay, and to create a customer invoice, you will go up to the top, go to Create Customer Invoice. And again, you're just going to fill in the appropriate information. So you can fill in as many line items as you would need. You will be able to enter in your message fields, and you can also indicate if it is taxable or not, and also apply a discount if needed. You would then be able to click on Save Draft or Save and Process to continue on with the invoice into payment. If you have any questions, please contact support at 877-329-3832 at extension 250.